Hi everybody, Dr. Biology here with a new type of video called a knowledge starter. So this is a really good way to revise the knowledge content of GCSE Biology. So what I mean by that is I'm going to ask you some questions. I'd like you to have a piece of paper and a pen in front of you ready to put your answers down, and then you can check your answers. Then I'd like you to go to the start of the video again, and then we'll do it again and see how you do. So if you repeat this over many times, okay, over your GCSE, then you're more than likely going to learn the knowledge required for the exam. So I hope you find it useful, and let's get going. So what you'll need is your pen, okay, and you'll need a book, and you need to get ready to answer the following questions. Question number 1. What is a prokaryotic cell? Give an example. Question number 2. What is a eukaryotic cell? Give an example. Question number 3. How do eukaryotic cells and prokaryotic cells differ in size? Question 4. What are the functions of the following cell parts? A. Nucleus. B. Cell membrane. C. Cytoplasm. D. Mitochondria. And E. Ribosomes. Question number 5. Name 3 differences between a plant and animal cell. Question number 6. How is a nerve cell adapted to carry impulses around the body? Question number 7. How is a sperm cell adapted to fertilize an egg? Question number 8. How is a muscle cell adapted for movement? And finally, question 9. How is a root hair cell adapted to absorb water? Okay, let's have a look at the answers. So get yourself a green pen and be ready to mark your work and make any improvements. Question number 1. What is a prokaryotic cell? Give an example. It is a cell that doesn't contain a nucleus, for example, bacteria. Question number 2. What is a eukaryotic cell? Give an example. It is a cell with a nucleus, for example, a plant or animal cell. Question 3. How do eukaryotic cells and prokaryotic cells differ in size? Eukaryotic cells are larger as they contain organelles, such as mitochondria or ribosomes. Question 4. What are the functions of the following cell parts? The nucleus. It controls the activity of the cell. Cell membrane controls the passage of substances in and out of the cell. Cytoplasm, where most chemical reactions occur. Mitochondria, where aerobic respiration occurs to release energy. And finally, ribosomes, where proteins are made or where proteins are synthesized. Question number 5. Name 3 differences between a plant and animal cell. Plant cells have a cell wall, a vacuole or a permanent vacuole, and chloroplasts. Question 6. How is a nerve cell adapted to carry impulses around the body? Nerve cells have lots of extensions and branches to make many connections. They are covered in a fatty sheath which insulates the nerve and speeds up the nerve impulse. Question 7. How is a sperm cell adapted to fertilize an egg? The head contains enzymes so the sperm can enter the egg, lots of mitochondria to release energy so it can swim using its tail. Question number 8. How is a muscle adapted for movement? Or how is a muscle cell adapted for movement? Well, it contains many mitochondria to provide energy for muscle contraction. Number 9. How is a root hair cell adapted to absorb water? It has a large surface area and thin walls to absorb water. That brings us to the end of these questions. What I would like you to do now is repeat. So that means going back to question 1 with a new piece of paper and get ready to answer the questions again. The more you can repeat it, the more likely you are to remember the knowledge that is required for this particular topic. I hope you found this knowledge starter useful, and there will be more knowledge starters for GCSE Biology coming on Dr. Biology shortly. Bye for now.